Hi, Carmen Bundy with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Ambassador Real Estate. I'd like to give you a brief overview of what the sales process looks like when you're working with me here in Omaha, Nebraska, and the surrounding area. So first, as a seller, if you are even thinking about moving sometime in the next couple years, I have worked with sellers up to 2 years out. And I meet with them, we go through the home, we look at what updates do they think they need to make or repairs, and then I let them know what I might recommend. We consider their budget, their timeline, their energy level, and then we work through and prioritize which things need to be done and which things maybe we can set aside. And sometimes I save sellers money on things that they think is a priority but might not be for the market. So that can be very helpful to know. I can work with you up to 2 years out. And then once you are ready, then you give me a call and we go through and look at whether you need full staging or not, or a light touch on staging. I give you advice on how to pare down. And then we go through the contract and I review with you at our leisure in your living room or kitchen, the contracts, both the listing contract, but also what the buy side contract looks like. So you won't be surprised what you see when you get an offer, because we often do so much electronically, nobody reads it on their phone. So we review all the documentation in advance together when we have the time and before it's the craziness of receiving offers. So we set it all up, I get your photos and I have a professional that does those. So we stage, we get the photos, and then I set up a plan for your marketing, and depending on how long it takes, I have a multi-layered approach to help create ongoing excitement for your home. And then we receive an offer or multiple. I review what all the terms mean for you, and then you get to sit back and start planning your move. Unless it's a house that you're not currently living in, you get to start moving, and I will provide some resources for you to make that a lot easier. And then as the seller, you don't actually meet with the buyer on closing day. You sign your documents a week or two in advance, and it takes about 20 minutes. That is the seller deed set signing, and then your part is done. You just have to finish exiting the home. So it is a process, and I will support you through that process. That's the gist of it. So if you have additional questions and are thinking about selling your home, call Carmen first.